Welcome back to my channel. I got a gift today. It's the kitchen set. Let's just unbox it. Set is beautiful pink cups and pink plates. It has a beautiful jug. I love it. And a little teapot. Start and start. This is my handle. This is my pot. And the water is boiling. I will start. Lift me up. For me up. I opened it myself. The packaging and the display is too good. Four, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 cups. Blender. Let's have some tea. Would you want to have some tea with me? Yummy! Have some tea with me. Hey Barbie, what's some tea with me? Please give this video thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Visit my channel. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.